on the Shelf. Whiskey on the Shelf. Here we go. From Egypt. Oh, I love this song. Here we go. Weights on the left foot. Are we ready? 5, 6, 7, shuffle.
One frosty night to clear my head and pass the time. I was hoping for some company to ease my state of mind. As the fog began to light, I was ready to unwind. But suddenly out in the distance stood an old familiar sight. Right by the fire, you could feel anticipation as the flames were raging high. Then the band played gracefully, distinct
unwind, rock and triple.
When it was over, I wouldn't ever want it cause the music brings the crowd, people singing loud and proud. What a thrill to hear those whistles playing, boys of all good here. It's the good times and good health. It's the best I've ever felt. Out of fun that gives you more than Irish whiskey.
Here we go. Rock and triple.
I've been there so many times, I couldn't just leave it behind. Cause there's something about the way it makes me feel so deep inside. So if you're ever wanting more, you will find an open door, and you'll be following the footsteps of so many men before. Cause the music brings the crowd, people singing loud and proud. Where they hear those whistles playing, boys of old Blue Hill. It's the good times and good health. It's the best I've ever felt. At a pub that gives you more than Irish whiskey on the shelf.
Come on, Antika.
Cheers to good times and good health. It's the best I've ever felt. At a pub.
We're ready for the ending. Here we go. Well done, everybody. Well done. Whiskey on the Shelf by Maggie and Gary. Gary and Maggie. Whichever way. Celtic duo. Egypt. Brilliant. Well done. So we can